Welcome back to How To Knots. Today we will be doing the roundabout double half hitch knot. Honestly, it is the most indestructible knot I've ever done. It is not coming apart at all. As you can see here, I'm pulling on it pretty hard, and it's not going anywhere. So to start this knot off, you're going to want to have something that you can tie this knot around. I used a boat handle for this one. And you're going to want to stick the rope through and under, and then you're going to go over, and then you're going to go under again and over. Next, you're going to cross the top line over the underline, and you're going to stick the rope under the bottom line. Then you're going to go through the little loop that you've made. You're going to want to tighten that up quite a bit. Make sure it's nice and sturdy. Then you're going to want to repeat the process and go under again and through the little loop. Tighten that up as much as you can, and this is the most indestructible knot you will ever make.